Welcome back to Cashcraft, your go-to channel for everything trading and financial freedom. If you're ready to take your trading game to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into position trading, one of the most powerful strategies for long-term success. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will show you how to leverage position trading to build wealth in 2025 and beyond. 1. What is position trading? Let's start with the basics. What is position trading? Position trading is a long-term trading strategy where traders hold their positions for weeks, months, or even years to capitalize on major market trends. Unlike swing or day trading, position trading focuses on the bigger picture and requires less frequent monitoring. This makes it an ideal approach for those who want to grow their wealth over time without the stress of daily market fluctuations. Here are some key features of position trading. Long-term focus. Trades are based on macroeconomic trends and market cycles. Lower stress. Less frequent trading reduces emotional decision-making. Broader analysis. Fundamental analysis plays a significant role in decision-making. Position trading is all about patience and foresight, making it a popular choice for investors in stocks, Forex, and even cryptocurrencies. 2. How position trading works. Now, let's talk about how position trading works. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose the right market. Position trading works best in markets with clear, long-term trends, such as, choose the right market. Position trading works best in markets with clear, long-term trends, such as 1. Stock market. Focus on blue-chip companies and growth stocks. Forex market. Major currency pairs like EUR, USD or GBP, USD ideal for long-term trades. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are great for macro-level investing. Fundamental analysis. Position traders rely heavily on fundamental factors like fundamental analysis. Position traders rely heavily on fundamental factors like 2. Economic indicators, GDP, inflation, interest rates. Company earnings and financial reports. Geopolitical events and policies. Technical analysis for entry points. Use long-term charts, weekly or monthly, and indicators like technical analysis for entry points. Use long-term charts, weekly or monthly, and indicators like 3. Moving averages, to spot long-term trends. Fibonacci levels, to identify support and resistance. RSI, to avoid overbought or oversold conditions. Set a plan. Define your entry, exit, and stop-loss levels. Since trades are held for months or years, risk management is critical. Patience is key. Once your trade is set, trust your analysis and let the trade play out over time. Position trading combines the best of both worlds, strategic planning and minimal stress. 3. Benefits of position trading. Why should you consider position trading? Here are some of the top benefits. Lower transaction costs. Since you're trading less frequently, you save on fees and commissions. Time efficiency. Position trading doesn't require constant monitoring, making it ideal for part-time traders. Big profit potential. By holding trades through major market trends, you can capture significant price movements. Reduced emotional stress. Longer timeframes mean you're less affected by daily market noise and volatility. Suitable for all markets. Whether you're trading stocks, Forex, or crypto, position trading works across different asset classes. Position trading is perfect for those who prefer a more relaxed and strategic approach to trading. 4. Challenges of position trading. Like any trading strategy, position trading comes with its own set of challenges. Here's what you need to be aware of. Market volatility. Long-term positions are exposed to unexpected events like economic crashes or geopolitical tensions. Patience required. It can take months or years to see significant returns, which requires discipline. Capital commitment. Since trades are held longer, your capital is tied up for extended periods. Risk of trend reversals. Misjudging a long-term trend can lead to significant losses. Understanding these challenges and preparing for them is crucial for position trading success. 5. Best tools and platforms for position trading. To succeed as a position trader, you need the right tools and platforms. Here are some of the best options for 2025. Trading platforms. 1. Interactive brokers, great for stocks and Forex. eToro, easy to use and ideal for social trading. Binance, for crypto position trading. Charting tools. 2. TradingView, offers advanced charting features. MetaTrader 4/5, customizable for Forex and stocks. News and analysis resources. News and analysis resources. 3. BloombergInvesting.com. Reuters. Having the right tools will make your position trading journey much smoother. 6. Pro tips for position trading success. Finally, let's wrap up with some pro tips to help you master position trading. Start small. Use a demo account to practice and refine your strategy. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your capital into one trade or asset. Stay updated. Keep an eye on economic news and market trends that could impact your positions. Trust the process. Long-term trading requires patience and confidence in your analysis. Learn continuously. Stay educated about new strategies and tools to improve your trading game. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to succeed as a position trader in 2025. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to position trading. Are you ready to take a long-term approach to trading and build wealth over time? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Cashcraft, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips and strategies. Let's craft your path to financial freedom together.